Hi, I received this shower squeegee as a gift from dancemoon so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. This one is a little bit different than what I've used in the past because it's all one piece. It also has, it's kind of a grippy silicone. It's very sturdy and it's got an ergonomic handle. This end of it is so that you can hook it just right there on your shower door. You don't have to worry about any extra pieces or anything to attach to your shower that you would hang it on, which I really like. And then this part is very flexible so that you can use it on the door. So I'm gonna get in my shower so that you can see how good it works. Hopefully you can tell this has got tons of water spots on it. So let me get in here and I'm going to show you how well it works. I'm really hoping you'll be able to tell. So yeah, this is really nice. I've got a bar here, but yes, this is so nice. Hopefully you can hear me talking. This really gets the water spots really, really well. And then, like I said, you can just hang it. Hopefully you can see that. You could just hang it on the bar instead of having to worry about, an apparatus to stick in your shower. So I highly recommend this. There are a lot of different colors that you can choose. I got the black, but there are other colors that you can choose from. So highly recommend it. Thanks.